Yeah, Aris, tell me a great light now. I want to make home videos. How do I make it? I need a nice light. Tell me a light now. Or even a ring light will do.
Aris, my audio sounds terrible in my videos. Please tell me a nice mic now. How can I make my voice and audio sound much better in my videos?
आरिस कोई ऐसा ऐप है जहाँ पे वीडियोस बड़ी अच्छी तरह एडिट कर सकते हैं, मतलब यूट्यूब के लिए और इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक के लिए?
Yeah, tell me a nice tripod na for my phone or something to shoot my own videos, selfie videos. How do I shoot my videos?
These are some of the requests, queries, or suggestions people ask from me on a regular basis, my friends, or even people who don't know me. So why fear when I am here? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Aris Gandhi, and today is finally the day when I'm going to make a video on guiding you guys to buy the right equipment to make home videos. Not very expensive stuff, not very extravagant stuff, not very high-end stuff, just basic stuff for people who are not really professionals in video or filmmaking, but any and everyone who wants to make home videos or video for YouTube or Instagram or social media or whatever. And the small little equipment or small little basic setup that they need to make these videos better. So this video is mostly for the Indian market because over here I'm going to refer and tell you guys where you can buy and what are the products that you can buy which are locally made and which are easily available on the internet, on Flipkart, on Amazon in India, and you all can purchase that and make great videos. So let's go! First thing, light. Now a lot of people ask me what is the best light to have for a small little setup at home to make home videos, या अगर Instagram के लिए videos बनाने हैं या just vlogs बनाने हैं तो what is a great light to have at home, especially if you want to shoot at night, because in the daytime you can use your window light but at night you do need a little light setup. So ideally a lot of people for an easier setup like to have a ring light, and there are a lot of ring lights in the market, but I would suggest a ring light which has like a dual temperature control जहाँ पे white light भी हो सके और yellow light भी आ सके, and you can control the intensity, you can control the temperature, and it is a nice soft biggish ring light. Buy the biggest ring light possible that you can buy because that will look nice around your face also, and the circles in your eyes, वो जो nice circles दिखते हैं आंखों में, that will look nicer if you have a bigger ring light. So for a ring light, I would suggest this ring light over here, which is not very cheap, not very expensive. The company is Digitech and it makes some great, reasonable, good quality products. This ring light you can buy from any online website or somewhere in the market. It gives a very soft, even light. It has dual temperature control and it has all these features that a ring light should have according to me. Next, अब अगर ring light खरीदोगे या कोई भी light खरीदोगे तो where will you put it? On a table, on your fridge, where? You need a light stand. Nah? Light stand is very important, especially when you buy sometimes lights online. You don't realize that, oh, you will need a light stand also. So please make sure that you have a light stand when you're ordering a ring light. Or if you don't in that package that you're buying, then please buy a light stand separately. I would recommend this light stand over here, which is a Sonia 9 feet light stand. It is reasonable. It is a good stand, sturdy and very nice. And it can hold your ring light or any other light that you buy. Now supposing तुम्हें थोड़ा और प्रोफेशनल लुक देना है, because ring lights give a flat kind of a lighting and आजकल everybody has a ring light. People who are making TikTok videos or who were making TikTok videos and a lot of people for easy convenience they want a ring light, but if you want to go a step higher and make it look a little more professional and more moody lighting जैसे कि अभी मैंने कर रखी है over here, तो उसके लिए ये लाइट है. ये भी Digitech कंपनी की है. It's called the D520WB and right now I'm lighting myself up with that exact light. It's a nice portable cheap light. It's a small little light which can be recharged, which has a separate battery, and it is so convenient, such a great light for just about anything. It's super bright, and because it is super bright you will need this. This is a diffused umbrella. This is basically an umbrella or like a diffuser, if you have a diffuser cloth or a butter paper, जो कि ऐसी lights के सामने लगाना ज़रूरी होता है so that you can get a nice soft light in front of your face and not a very hard hitting light with hard shadows on your face, which doesn't look very nice. So if you want to light yourself well and have a nice soft light, you need a LED light like this Digitech light and this little umbrella in front of it. Up again, for using this light, you need to put it up on a stand like I told you, and you need to have this umbrella in front of it, and your light problem is solved. Now there's another option which I personally use a lot of times. It's one of my favorite lights. Is the Godox LC500 is the light stick. ये थोड़ी और ज़्यादा expensive है from the Digitech light, but it is a very versatile light. It is super portable. It can be recharged. It has again color balance, white and yellow temperature control, and it is a fantastic portable light. If you can afford it, nothing like it. Next on light हो गई. अब थोड़ी आवाज, a little sound. How do you make your voice or your sound better? For this, there is this great option, a lapel mic. I suggest you buy a lapel mic. A lapel mic is this kind of a mic which you can put on your collar and well, you can talk and talk and talk. You will get a nice bass sound in your videos, or if you want to sing or whatever you want to do, लेकिन आवाज बहुत अच्छी आएगी lapel ऐसे mic से. So the lapel mic that I use is this Rode SmartLav Plus, which is a great mic and it is of a great quality. But if you want to spend even lesser, then there is this mic called the Boya M1, which you can buy from any online store like I told you, and it is a great mic. It is especially this Boya mic comes with a very long wire which you can attach in your camera or your phone, and you'll get great audio. Now, if you don't want this lapel kind of a mic, you want an on-camera mic, then this is a great mic which I have and which I use. It's called the Rode Video Micro, and it is a great small little mic which comes with a dead cat. Yes, this thing on top is called a dead cat, which reduces the wind noise if you're outdoors somewhere and recording yourself. So it's a great mic to put on your phone or your camera, and you can have great audio. There's a cheaper option again from Boya called the Boya MM1, which is an on-camera mic again, and you can use this one. Of course, if you're wondering how will you remember all of this, I will put the links of all these products down below in the description, so you can click on those links and go to the desired product that you want to buy. So ये हो गया the light and the sound. Now if you want to prop your camera or your phone on something, you need a nice little tripod, right? So if you don't have a place, I suggest you buy a tripod, and I would again suggest this tripod from Digitech. Again, you can take any other tripod which is in the range of 1000 to 1500. They're all decent, good tripods. Of course, they won't take the load of very heavy cameras. These are for basically mobile phones or like small tiny cameras. तो ऐसा आप ले सकते हैं. And now, supposing you want to prop up your phone also, right? So mostly these tripods don't come with a phone stand or a phone clamp, and I suggest you buy this thing. This is a little phone clamp which you can rotate your phone in horizontal or vertical direction, and then you can put this clamp on your phone and you can put it on your tripod and it will hold your phone firmly. तो टेंशन की कोई बात नहीं है. So there you go, light, sound, stand, tripod, clamp, everything I have told you. So this setup is for your phone shooting or your camera shooting. But over here, I'm not going to talk about cameras because that's a detailed description and there are a lot of camera options depending upon your budget. So I won't talk about cameras over here. This is the setup you can use with your phone or your existing camera. And these days phones are great and they shoot really high quality videos. So you may not need a camera, but if you really want to purchase a nice camera depending on your budget, I will make a separate video on that. Depending on your budget and what camera do you want to buy, that will be a separate video. And now one little last thing, what do you edit your videos on? One software or one app that I use on my phone a lot is this, InShot. It is a great free app to edit your videos. You can put transitions, you can put different layers, text, music, effects, filters, whatever you want to do. I have made some great professional looking videos on this app. All you need to do is import your videos that you've shot from your phone or your camera onto this app from your gallery, and you can do magic. So that's about it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm sure you got some help out of this video. So if you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you want more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. It'll be of great help. But if you don't want to, I'm not forcing you. You don't need to. And like I told you earlier, the links of all these products are down below in the description. So you can go and click on those links and buy those products and think of me. Keep making great videos and do tag me on my Instagram handle if you make some great videos. I would like to see them. So until then, keep shooting. So until then, keep clicking and go do some shopping. I think the sales are on pretty early.